maite siete gocha yarangoki namba gete nere nkaiga y'abantu abantu gete yani bachande gete stile se chingoro chiabo ngasimba bwara tenere gavana ya Kisii kera Dr. Matiang'i arenge gocha nere gavana simbole ko discussed in most rooms in most houses ngonye tari gocha yani baigwete ngaki simba ta gotigata icha egere ba nyore chance yo goteba ngatari go support Dr. Matiang'i for presidency ngarore kanebo so that batumie gesingizio gatonyoro yoro ra support egere bagende ne wave ya Dr. Matiang'i. For your information, Governor Simba has no problem with Dr. Matiang'i at all. Dr. Matiang'i is looking at being president 2027 in the Republic of Kenya. Governor Simba is the governor for Kisii County and is looking at a re-election in 2027. So, ngaiba ko umirana, bache gwetana, usache ko tuaro boro na Dr. Matiang'i, ngegere ngatai gwetia, maybe ngatari komo support. At what point? Arabe ngatari komo support. Governor Simba no mugusi, Dr. Matiang'i no mugusi, inkiba ko buna, ebiro bata gete bire bingao. Surely my taba gusi we like creating problems. Yani mole amante kanamba gete nkaraga kaiga kale frustrated by the progress here governor. Yani bai waiting what can happen. Bono ba dete go tumia ka kwende euphoria ngabono banyora big number e go despise governor. Governor has evidently done things abantu bakoro chipara chidispenser chikwere yani chidispensary obekira mariogo chiaga chiru contractors are busy on the ground ebirasi bya ECD we are not behind town ya Kisii gere safi chitaye chi work abantu bako frustrated naki you want to bring umuntu go perform down right now naona abantu bale go challenge the governor and congratulations mheshimiwa Boaz Mairura. Your statement, I read it. It was very accurate and factual. Otaligo sugarcoat. You spoke very well. And you were very honest in your statement. You said very well. But you really appreciate his work. And I say thank you for being honest. Bono, nkoboliga. Lika bantonga, mochega tinga, mutagete go trail ya governor ere busy go tokonya into na bagusi nere mutagete go trail you bring down nebintu bitali true na malicious talks na roje mna yonde woman rep donya KTRH so I don't know what yani let me tell you without disrespecting you our woman rep because I respect you myself as my county woman rep you do not have capacity to understand the complexity of operations of KTRH. That's why you settle for the bare minimum of gukwana mariogo tayo kiatayo mpanado. Ekero go decide ko be whistleblower muna mama mboga. Umongi no chole tuna abantu abange Kisii County bagagochoro ko be woman rep. Oru otani instead of giving abantu ba Kisii County hope. Ingote to ko batebinga nothing is happening. Ayebune woman rep. What have you done about it? Na roche ko koena ne ebirogo bye that was very good in Nobate Foundation ya abantu bali chidona balenga ko ebirogo lakini ngawota ebinaki ebibyechi bao ebira basa ko ne birema tayale ni wale mavu rorabi bako ebibire light yake bya mabati biwata na kama tres bya mabati ale lighter okamanya go chaka wanza kolete mitumba metumbe yekwale kwa abagusi intunto li not eastern to gotarabusa abagusi at least we do not have problems of clothes kwale go transfer that priority onye magana yo kwana neke ene ngana mali ogore concern nero eyechinya gitari otabia doneli naki likoko ngachianga bagusimba liko tarabosa prioritize to donate mali ogo ose funds chikora mali ogo for our hospitals elina litora kuamini naki neke ene lakini tali style yo utakonyo yega bane binera. That is not acceptable. Ayomanyana, you have never been accountable to Resaburonge. What goes on in your office, in your docket, whatever that is under you. Lakini magana igawa note to tebi marasieka governor yani marasieka magena dispensary esie kwa bantu bali barange bali ba usali kunenya gitali bagenda umuntu oyo mabantu babere ba make a mistake igobone sentence yekanga Kenya yonsi gitali nchisiekiri. Is that good reasoning really? That is very bad. Abantu mbija tu aba focused na ki bono iga it is time for development is not time for focusing on siasa abakenya abagete chikura ntotugarete miaka 2.5 twake chinde. Please give us service. Allow the governor to work in peace.